Greetings of the day everyone. I am Professor Nikita Chauksy and today we are going to discuss the Unit 3 sedimentation of the subject solid fluid operation. Now this is the part of the mechanical separation and we are going to discuss sedimentation and thickening, centrifugal sedimentation process. So basically we will see what is the meaning of the sedimentation, what is the application of the sedimentation, how the thickener works, and we are going to discuss the how to design the thickener, how to find out the area of the thickener by studying the Kinch theory. Now, the objective of the sedimentation process is basically our aim is to remove the solid particles from the slurry. So basically we are interested in the separation of the solid from the liquid, and the process by which the particulate settles to the bottom of the liquid and form the sediment, that process is known as the settling process. Basically there are two kinds of the settling. One is the free settling, second that is the hindered settling. Now, free settling, that means when a particle which undergoes settling is at a sufficient distance from the other particle and from the wall of the container so that its settling is not affected by any one of them is defined as the free settling. So there is no other interference of the other particle as well as there is no wall effect, then it is considered as the free settling. And hindered settling, that means when in the settling process, when the particle is influenced by the other particle or when the particles are crowded, the concentration of the solid is high, then it is considered as the hindered settling. So in this process, particle settles at a low rate compared to the free settling. So this is basically two types of the settling. Then we are going to discuss what is the principle of the sedimentation. So the first of all, the whole process is divided into the two stages. The first stage of the process, that is for the very short period of time, the very short period of acceleration, and in that the velocity increases from 0 to its terminal velocity. The second stage of the process in which the particle is at its terminal velocity. So these are the two principles of the sedimentation. Now the sedimenter is considered as a thickener when settled sludge is a desired product, or it is considered as a clarifier if the clear liquid is the desired product. So if we are interested in the clear liquid, then same equipment is known as the clarifier, and if the sludge or settled sediment is our desired product, then it is considered as the thickener. And this is basically the batch sedimentation test for the thickening. So for the designing of the thickener, basically you require the batch sedimentation test data. So that we are going to discuss in detail in the class. Thank you.